Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to delete your EA account on PC, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your browser and search for EA account. Now you can find the homepage here. Now you have to make sure that you are logged into your account or you can sign in using your login credentials. Now simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From here you can find account settings. Go to your account settings. It might ask for the verification, so you can find a verification code, so you have to enter the verification code, or it might sometimes ask for the password, so you have to add the password. Now from here you can find at the left side a bunch of options here, so you have to go to the security and privacy. So when you are on security and privacy section, you have to scroll down, and at the very bottom you can find delete your EA data, where you can request to delete your EA account data. So you have to simply click on learn more option from here. Now from here you can find this how can I delete my EA account article for you. So where you can actually select this delete my EA account here. So where you can find how I can delete my EA account, where that here you can see talk to one of our advisor to delete your EA account. So that's the only way to delete your EA account. So you have to talk with a representative of EA Sports or EA account here. The deleting EA account won't remove your ban. So if you got any ban, so you want to be get rid of this. So here is something that what's happened if you delete it. So from here you have to simply click on this link here, talk to one of our advisor. Now from here you can find here the topic has just said here that I want to delete my account, EA account here. Now from here you have to do is chat. Now here you can simply click on chat now, and a representative will help you to get through it. So you have to select the sector, so PC for example, or if you are playing on PS4 or Steam, you can select one of these that you're using your EA Sports. After that you have to select it and simply click on next, and you can talk to an advisor of EA account, and they will help you and instruct you how you can delete your EA account. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.